Hi. Welcome to Infinite Wealth YouTube channel. It's a place where you will find financial and investment tips for your financial freedom. This video is produced completely by AI and you should study your own before making any investment decisions. Being a student can be both exciting and challenging, especially when it comes to managing money. For many students, it is their first time handling their finances, which can be intimidating and stressful. However, budgeting is a valuable skill that can help students avoid debt, save for their goals, and prepare for their future. In this video, I will explain why budgeting is important for students, and how they can create and stick to a realistic budget. Why budgeting is important for students. Budgeting is the process of planning how much money one has and how to spend it wisely. Budgeting has many benefits for students, such as 1. It helps students pay their bills on time, such as rent, utilities, tuition, and other expenses. This can prevent late fees, penalties, and damage to their credit score. 2. It helps students avoid overspending and going into debt. By tracking their income and expenses, students can see where their money is going and how much they have left to spend. This can help them avoid taking out payday loans, overdrafts, or credit cards that can charge high interest rates and fees. 3. It helps students save for their goals, such as traveling, buying a car, or starting a business. By setting aside a portion of their income for savings, students can build up a fund that can help them achieve their dreams. 4. It helps students prepare for their future. Budgeting is not only important when one is a student, but also throughout one's life. By learning how to budget effectively, students can develop financial literacy and confidence that can help them make smart decisions about their money in the future. How to create and stick to a budget. Creating and sticking to a budget may seem daunting, but it can be done with some simple steps. 1. Establish your income. This includes your student loan, any grants or bursaries you may receive, money from your parents or relatives, salary from a part-time job, or any other sources of income. 2. Estimate your outgoings. This includes your fixed expenses, such as rent, bills, tuition, food, transport, and insurance, and your variable expenses, such as entertainment, clothing, hobbies, and gifts. 3. Compare your income and outgoings. Subtract your total outgoings from your total income to see if you have a surplus or a deficit. A surplus means you have more money than you need to cover your expenses. A deficit means you have less money than you need to cover your expenses. 4. Adjust your budget accordingly. If you have a surplus, you can decide how to allocate it between savings and spending. If you have a deficit, you need to find ways to reduce your expenses or increase your income. For example, you can shop around for cheaper deals on utilities or insurance, use student discounts or coupons, buy secondhand books or clothes, cook at home instead of eating out, or look for a part-time job or a side hustle. 4. Track your spending and review your budget regularly. You can use apps, spreadsheets, or notebooks to record your income and expenses and compare them with your budget. This can help you see if you are sticking to your budget or if you need to make any changes. You should also review your budget at least once a month or whenever there is a change in your income or outgoings. Budgeting is an essential skill for students that can help them manage their money effectively and achieve their goals. By following the steps above, students can create and stick to a realistic budget that suits their needs and preferences. Budgeting can also help students develop financial literacy and confidence that can benefit them throughout their life. Thank you for watching this whole video. If you find this video valuable, please don't forget to subscribe and share. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.